Zen Sparrow is here at Gallery 105 and it's a 3-day exhibition. Today, tomorrow and day after. Very beautiful collection, a curation of 4 brands.
Something in beautiful chaniya cholis, something in kapda style blouses along with contrast chaniyas, beautiful jewelry options along with some festive and ethnic wear.
And for more collection, swipe left.
This is brand Zen Sparrow जिनका पूरा collection मैंने पहना है. This is a beautiful kapda blouse with a contrast chaniya. Look at that. And moving on to let's meet ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Hi. So I also wear this kapda.
Yes. She's also wearing the beautiful kapda
Different
with
kind of skirts.
yes.
Yes. So we have more kapdas
Lovely.
in big sizes. See this.
Look at that.
See this. See. We have all the sizes,
Okay.
but you need to just try. Then you can buy it because આમાં કોઈ sizes નથી બનવાની. આમાં નાની મોટી sizes આવે છે. Then we have જેને કાપડા નથી લેવાના sizes પ્રમાણે customize કરાવવું છે. We have long blouses.
Okay.
See this.
Lovely.
Yes.
Look at that.
I got so many DMs and inquiry for this blouse.
Lovely.
See this.
Beautiful.
Yes. We have all the good blouses collections. See this.
This is brand Ananta Creations અને એમની પાસે અફઘાનીનું બી બહુ જ બ્યુટીફુલ કલેક્શન છે. Look at those pieces. પછી તમને લોંગમાં કઈ ઓપ્શન જોઈએ તો એ બી તમને મળશે. જો શોર્ટમાં ઓપ્શન જોઈએ તો એ પણ તમને ઓપ્શન્સ મળશે. Look at that. ચોકરમાં કઈ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ પીસ જોઈએ તો મેમે જે પહેર્યો છે along with this piece, along with some beautiful earrings, rings. Look at that. And then we have Afghani earrings. Look at all the options જે એમની પાસે છે. Beautiful pieces. Look at that. Wow. Something like this as well. Very pretty. Look at that. Wow. Lovely. Along with જો લોંગમાં બી સ્ટેટમેન્ટ પીસીસ જોઈએ તો એના પણ ઓપ્શન્સ છે એમની પાસે. અને યર કફ્સમાં બી બહુ જ બધા ઓપ્શન છે. Look at that.
And we have this all the shades of chaniyas. See
Lovely.
this. See, we have these all the color palettes. We have
Beautiful.
shaded. જે મેં પહેર્યું છે એમાં બધા જ કલર્સ છે.
Okay.
We have silk also.
Lovely.
We have gudgy as well.
Mhm.
We have this trendy colors.
Look at
And
that.
the unique designs we have the white collection. We have the
Beautiful.
cotton. We have some 5,500 skirts in economy range. It's a 10 to 12 meter flat.
Okay.
It's a pure fabric as well.
Look at that.
See the embroidery one. See the shaded.
Very pretty.
And we have
yes,
These are
ma'am.
pieces on discount. You'll get it for flat 2,500.
Okay.
Then we have more.
Beautiful. All right.
We have
Lovely. Look at that.
then we have chaniya cholis.
They have lovely
This one
chaniya
is digitally
cholis.
printed and this one is in Kajja silk.
Okay.
With lumpy. These are the pieces on flat for 2,500 pure mul cotton.
Okay. Flat 2,500 for these.
Only chaniyas.
Only chaniyas for flat 2,500. Look at that.
More options.
Beautiful. Look at that.
So this is all.
This is brand Tantu. Hello, ma'am.
Hi. We have waistcoats.
Lovely.
We have workmen. Shorts.
Shirt options.
Ajraks.
Very smart. You can pair these with linen pants.
We have hand embroidered shirts.
Beautiful. Okay.
Patchwork shirts.
Lovely. Look at that.
We have kurta sets in
Okay.
cotton with hand embroidery.
Okay. Kurta sets with hand embroidery. All right.
These are on discounts right now, so you can come and grab it. We have more in side cut.
Lovely. Look at
and
that.
printed.
Beautiful color options.
Then we have pieces in Himachal lady.
Lovely.
We have
This is brand Spicy Dori and they are all the way from Surat. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Look at the beautiful collection that they have. Some dupattas, chanias. Look at that. Set option bhi hai apni paase. Something like this in ombre. Beautiful. Look at that. Something in spaghetti. Dual color ma bhi options hai. Very pretty. Look at that. With something in back. Material na pieces છે એમની પાસે. Look at that. This is only kurti. Beautiful. Wow. Lovely. Look at that. All the beautiful patterns that they have. Festive માં બી એમની પાસે options છે. Something like this with pants and dupattas. Something like this. Look at that. Beautiful work done on the. This is brand Ananta Creations and they have a beautiful curation of some very beautiful lightweight Kashmiri earrings. Look at all the options that they have. I'll show you one by one. Look at that. Very pretty. Something in ear cuffs. Look at that. This is an entire Khan save. Very pretty piece. Look at that. If you don't want झुमकास तो उनके पास ऐसे वाले options भी हैं earrings के. Moving forward, Kashmiri में they also have some beautiful neck pieces के options. Look at all the beautiful pieces that they have. Along with something like this in statement wear अगर आपको चाहिए तो ये भी option आपको मिल जाएगा. कश्मीरी कड़ाज में भी बहुत सुंदर ऑप्शंस है. समथिंग लाइक दिस इन सिल्वर. ऑल्सो दे हैव दीज डेलिकेट वंस दैट यू आर सीइंग. वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. समथिंग लाइक दिस इन ज्वेलरी. लुक एट दैट. ब्यूटिफul earrings. Lovely.
And we have the dupattas. See the white ones. See the
Beautiful.
black in
Look at
patchwork.
that.
We have simple area dupatta. We have some heavy dupatta collection as well. See
Beautiful.
See, this is my favorite dupatta as well. See this.
Beautiful.
We have some tissue dupatta.
Mhm.
We have white one. We have vintage dupatta. We have pure vintage as
Okay.
well.
All
We
right.
have 200 plus dupatta,
Lovely.
300 plus blouses, and 150 plus chanias. Please
Wow.
come and visit us.
Lovely.